Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So I've got this 4K camera which is S30. It is sports series camera, so it's basically used for doing surfing, if you're doing skateboarding, that sort of things. But I thought to record some footage if I had to for my YouTube, so let's see if it is any good. The price I paid for this was just 17 euros, so they included a waterproof case which is 30 meters, and you got some extra gear with it, like for example a case for it as well. So this thing got touch screen 1.8, you got built-in mic, you got SD micro slot, 64 GB, you got Wi-Fi as well, so you can definitely view footage directly from your smartphone. So the maximum time you can record is 75 minutes. So the lens is wide angle 170 degrees, and you can do 1080p of resolution on 30 frames per second, and you can do 720p on 120 frames per second. So the video format is MP4. You can take photos on this thing with the resolution of 16 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 8, 5 and 2 megapixel. Battery on this is 900 milliamp hour battery. It does have a chargeable battery inside, so you can charge this thing with micro USB. Operating system on this is Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 and Mac. So the weight of this camera is 62 grams with battery inside. The touch screen on this is 1.8 inches. You got micro HDMI output, but the cable is not included in the box. You can set different languages on this camera, which is English, French, Spanish, Portuguese and Dutch. So this is the footage I got from the camera. As you can see, it is not that great for YouTube. I mean, it's just for basic use, it's just for sports use, I guess. So that was pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye, see you next time.